So we're going to chain 10. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we join. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then I'm going to, hello, my friend. We're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets here. And then go around. Okay, now what we're going to do is, for the second round here, we're going to chain 3, and then a double crochet, and then 2 double crochets for this middle one, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Okay, so start off with chain 3, 2, 3, do 1 single crochet, and then in this one here I'm going to do 2. And then we do 1 here and 1 here. Then for the corner, see here, we chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then we chain 5, and then 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, corner, 1, 2, 3, then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we do another 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to chain 2, and then repeat the same here. So chain 1, DC here, 1, 2, and in the middle one we do 2. Okay, 1, 2. We'll just do 1 here. And we follow that around. Okay, now we're going to do round 3. You can see this definitely needs blocking. Anyway, so we do chain 2, and then we are going to join them all here, all the double crochets into one point there. So to do that, this is what we do. Go 1, 2, like that. Keep that open. Keep all 3 there. Like that, see? Then we will chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. And a single crochet here. Then chain 3. Then we come to the corner where we DC 2, chain 2, and DC 2. So that's, we just did that part there. Then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, DC here. That's that there. Then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's chain 5. And now we come back to this part. And we are going to do that again. So we do that, keep both loops. Both loops. Both. And there we have that. Then you chain 5 and you keep going around. So now this is where we're at. We're going to do the last one, the 4th round. So we're going to single crochet all the way around on every stitch. So on every stitch we just do a single crochet like so. Chain 1, and then chain 1 in here, then we're going to chain 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1 here, then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, okay. So continue to create single crochets all the way around as shown in the diagram until you have completed the round, and that's it, that's your square. And this lace crochet square would definitely need blocking, otherwise it can look quite misshapen. Anyway, I hope that you learned how to read a diagram with me, and thank you for watching. I really would appreciate if you could like and subscribe. That would be really helpful. Thank you. Bye.